What is up guys, Jira back for the video. I'm gonna be showing you this really interesting Python script that goes through all of the projects and sees if there are some admins that have been added in here. Let's take a look at the script right here. So what the script does is it goes through all of these projects and it says, for example, Commercial Legal Service Desk has 3 admins assigned. For example, this project that says design has no admins assigned, and that could be a bad sign because at least you want to have one project admin in your projects to keep things going on. And this is where the Jira admin actually comes into the play. It has, and it goes through all of the projects in here. Even this IT support, it's using the projects API in here, and it's also checking. And if it says that something is wrong in here, there is actually an exception. That exception will be printed as well. It looks for the roles in here as well, and to get the roles of the administrators. And this is where it's saying project has no administrator's role, and it goes for this first step, which is check if admin role has some users and groups. If it has, it's going to say, hey, it does have, and it's saying the admins that are there. It doesn't say who are the admins, but you actually know for some specific project that it's saying, hey, I have 3 admins, I have 4 admins. I can go straight into the project and I can see who are these admins, if I need to speak to them, if I need to ask them some questions, and so on and so forth. That is how the script itself works. That's it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel as well. See ya.